This summer, we observed bacteria. We cloned a lot of bacteria. We purified proteins from the bacteria, and then we also we incubated that back with the protein with a substrate from broccoli. There's a lot of plating. There's a lot of just incubating substrates with other substrates. It was very simple stuff. Like it was really easy, and yeah. In broccoli, there's a defense mechanism that uses an enzyme called myrosinase, and that myrosinase creates a product called isothiocyanate, which is very beneficial to us. But when you cook broccoli, it's destroyed, but we still somehow create that product in our guts. And so what we wanted to see is how do our gut bacteria create that product without the myrosinase. So we chose a few candidates from E. coli Neasel and other soil bacteria, and we purified that enzyme from those bacteria and then incubated it with the product from the broccoli to see if we got any isothiocyanates. My lab was really welcoming. They're almost like family. I don't know. Everything was so easy from the start. I get really nervous doing things, and so my mentor was just very easygoing. Nothing was overwhelming ever, and I don't know. I loved it. It was great. No, not yet. I feel like I have a long way to go to ever be a scientist. It felt really cool when I had the lab coat on, like, then you get to pretend you're a scientist for a while, but I don't know. It was great. I do feel closer to being a scientist now than I was before. I'd like to pursue a PhD in microbiology, but I'd also like to major in business, just because I feel like there's a lot of great things that scientists are doing, but they just don't get any coverage because, I don't know, it just doesn't sell. And so I'd like to bridge that gap, while also still conducting my own research.